What's up, y'all? Jay Sims here with Sims Legal Consultancy Firm. We work with small businesses as well as entertainers focusing on business law as well as estate planning. So lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about the BOI reporting rule, the Beneficial Ownership Information Reporting Rule. First of all, what is this? It's exactly what it says. Anybody who's a beneficial owner of a company must report their personal information. So why exactly is the federal government just now implementing this? Well, basically, it's because of money laundering. The federal government feels that money laundering supports other crimes such as sex trafficking, and we know that's a big deal around the world right now. So we're reporting directly to FinCEN, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. The federal government feels by making substantial owners provide information, you're going to cut down on things like shell companies, which are used a lot of times to launder money. So most important question up to now is, does your company have to file? Yes, most likely your company has to file. If you're a LLC or a corporate, you have to file any kind of paperwork for your entity to exist with your state or federal government, then you do have to file this information unless you fall under one of the 23 exemptions. And those are going to be institutions such as banks, credit unions, entities that are already federally tax exempt, as well as certain large companies. So if you fall under those, of course, it's 23 of them. Those are just examples. If you fall anywhere under those, then you don't have to report. But most likely, your company does have to report. So now that you know your company has to report, who exactly in your company are beneficial owners? Well, beneficial owners are defined as anyone who owns 25% of the company or more, or anyone who has substantial control over the company, or anyone who has substantial control over offices in the company. Really, anyone who has control of the company has to report. So not only do beneficial owners have to report, but company applicants also have to report. What are company applicants? Company applicants are going to be the people who registered your business for you with the state or federal government. Or it could be the person who has substantial control over the people who registered your business with the state or federal government. Now, you do not have to report company applicants if you started your business before January 1st, 2024. So now that we know who's reporting, let's talk about what exactly they have to report. We're going to start with the company information. You're going to need the company name, any DBAs the company goes by, as well as the address, state, and your tax ID number. Then you're going to move to the either beneficial owner or company applicant. They're going to ask for information such as the name, date of birth, address, as well as any identifying number such as driver's license or passport number. We can get a FinCEN number, which would also help us streamline this process, but we'll have to get some information first to get that number. So now that we know who has to file and we know what they have to file, let's talk about when it has to be filed by. If you started your business before January 1st, 2024, you have until January 1st, 2025 to file this information. If your business was started after January 1st, 2024, you have 90 days to file this information. You can be penalized for not filing the information on time. Major question, are there filing fees? There are no filing fees. You do not have to pay to file this information. Also, if you reported any inaccurate information, you have 30 days to change that information. If your company made any changes that affected the information that you provided, you have 30 days after the change was made to report that information. This is why it is imperative as a business to work with an attorney. While you're focused on making money, I'm focused on making sure your business is running. While you're asleep, I'm worried about how your business is going to continue to run on the legal side. Hit the link below, set up a consultation. I can help you with the business information reporting rule. Thank you for watching.